In a verdant woodland, inhabited by myriad creatures, there lived a wise and prudent squirrel named Sylas. Known far and wide for his keen intellect and foresight, Sylas was revered by all. One day, while gathering acorns for the impending winter, Sylas stumbled upon a peculiar seed. It was unlike any he had ever seen before, gleaming with an ethereal glow and radiating a soothing warmth. With a sense of curiosity, Sylas decided to take the seed home, hoping it might aid him in his quest for wisdom. As he sat by his cozy nest, he pondered the seed's origin and purpose. That night, as Sylas slept, the seed began to germinate. It quickly grew into a radiant tree, its branches stretching towards the heavens. As Sylas awoke, he found himself standing beneath the tree, its leaves shimmering with a golden light. Feeling a sudden surge of knowledge, Sylas reached out to touch the leaves. The tree spoke, its voice resonating through the air. I am the tree of wisdom, sent by the spirits to guide those who seek enlightenment. Sylas, humbled by the tree's presence, asked it to share its wisdom. The tree replied, to truly understand the world, one must learn to balance the forces that govern it, growth, change, and decay. Sylas, eager to learn more, asked the tree to elaborate. The tree continued, growth represents the endless pursuit of knowledge and progress. Change signifies the cycle of life and the ever-evolving nature of existence. Decay teaches us the importance of humility and acceptance. With a newfound understanding, Sylas thanked the tree for its wisdom. As he left the tree's presence, he felt a profound sense of peace and clarity. From that day forward, Sylas used the lessons he learned from the tree of wisdom to guide his actions and decisions. He shared the tree's teachings with his fellow woodland creatures, helping them navigate the challenges of life with grace and wisdom. And so, Sylas became not just a wise squirrel, but a beacon of knowledge and understanding in his woodland home, a living testament to the Tree of Wisdom's enduring legacy.